Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are gonna solve. Yesterday I solved three or four problems after the stream end. They were difficult problems actually. They were marked easy, but I was it took some time for me to solve them. But either way, I solved them, and I need only 127 more points to get my 5-star gold badge. I think by today or by tomorrow I can complete this milestone. Let's see what happens. Let me just check if everything is okay or not. Okay. I need only 127 more points to get my 5-star. Okay, everything seems okay. I'll switch on some songs right now.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Yesterday I
Device
solved after
paired.
the stream. I think. I was not able. I got the logic of this Queen's Attack too, but I thought it needs a better efficient solution. So I saved what I could. I wrote down the solution of what I could. Let me just show you guys this Queen's Attack. I hope it opens. Okay, yeah. This was the what I had in mind was to first check the in that problem we need to check how many square there can the queen go. The queen can go, okay. So, but there will be obstacles, and the size of the board will be within 10 or 1 to 1 to 2 to the power 10 to the power 5 range. So first I check the column. This is for the column. Then I check for the row. This is for the row. Now I'm gonna check for diagonal. Each diagonal. This is the solution that I came in mind with, but it needs a better solution. So I skipped the problem and try to do more of them. So yesterday, these are I skipped these problems because they were like medium, and I don't want to solve maximum number of problems right now. So moving on, today we are gonna solve at least 2 or 3 problems, I guess, in the stream. First is beautiful triplets. Okay. Let me just. Okay, now let's try to solve the problem. My phone is hanging quite a bit actually. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, let's try to do this. Given a sequence of integer a triplet, given a sequence of integers a triplet a of I of j of k is beautiful if I less than j less than k. Okay, then no need to be difference of 1, but they should be less than. Okay, a of j minus a of I equals to a of k minus a of j equals to d. Given an increasing sequence of integers and the value of d. Okay, count the number of beautiful triplets in this sequence. Okay. I think I saw it. I think this problem was on Google Kickstart. I saw one problem one previous problem of Google Kickstart. Oh fuck. Today is what, 17? Okay. There was this one problem, previous problem where we have to find like 1, 2, 3 in a sequence of number. You had to find an ascending order of sequence. 3, 2, 1. They would give a range like 4 to 6, and you need to find in large sequence if there is a 4 to 6 available or not. Okay, yeah. I think this is the same problem, like this same concept. Given an increasing sequence of integers, the value of d, count the number of count the number of beautiful triplets in the sequence. Okay, there are 3 beautiful triplets indicated by index I, j, and k. The difference of 1, right? So if j2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. So these are not, this is not the 3 triplets. Okay, moving on. 3, 2, 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, the value of I is less than j is less than k. Condition true. This is one triplet. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is the second triplet. Now 0, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. This is one triplet. This is second triplet. How about 0, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Okay. There are 3 beautiful. Okay. How? Okay. The first line contains 2 space separated integers n and d, the length of the sequence, and the beautiful difference. Okay. The second line contains n separated integers. Okay. We can't sort the sequence. We can sort the sequence because we have to find in the original sequence. So if we sort, we will disturb the index value of each element. The array element can be 2 to the power 10 raised to 4 in the range, and the array of I is greater than array of m. Okay, they are in ascending order. But it does not say here is it equal. That means are they always different? But here they take array with 2 and 2. We will just go with the constraints. The fourth condition means that the previous element will not be equals to the current element. So there will be distinct numbers. So what we can do is we could just let's see, for example, 7 is the length of the input, 3 is the difference. So 2 minus 1, we'll check for the first 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is it equals to d? Condition false. Moving on. 4 minus 2 is it 3? No. Moving on. 5 minus 4, 1. Nope. 7 minus 5 is 2. Nope. 8 minus 7 is 1. Nope. 10 minus 8 is 2. Nope. 4 minus 1 is 3. Correct. Can you guys hear me? Oh yeah, it started working. I don't know what happened. Like I got a call and the internet connection went out. Sorry for that. Okay. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So there will be distinct numbers 1 to 4. Okay. How can we solve this? We'd have to pick one element. We have to start our I from this and we go up to here. This will be J, this will be K, or we can do this like J is this and I is this. Yeah. Until we find the left hand side equals, then we start. If it equals to D, okay, let's start. We know the difference, we know the array. What we'll do is we'll for J equals J in range 1 to length of ARR minus 2, correct? Okay. And for I in range J2 length of ARR, this will be 1. First we'll check the left difference. If ARR ARR of J minus ARR of I is it equals to the value of D, then we take another loop for K in range, and for K in range J plus 1. J plus 1 2 J should be, sorry, I should be within, for J minus 1 2 it should be from 0 to the value of I, and K should be from J plus 1 to the value of length of ARR. Okay. If ARR of K minus ARR of J equals to D, sample output. What do we need to output format? Print a single line denoting the number of beautiful triplets. Okay. That's it. Num equals 0. And if we find if these three conditions satisfy, then num equals to num plus 1. And if they are not equal, else then print return num, right? Yeah. So we'll actually try to solve this. Okay, I need to reload this page. Yeah. The this sidebar was not working properly. Let's check our code for the sample input. Uh, mm, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Okay. So for set num equals to 0. And for j in j is equals to 1. 2 length of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 6 तक जाएगा यहाँ तक 0 6 minus 1 यहाँ तक जाएगा j goes from j equals to 1 to j equals to 5. Okay, this is the correct range. For I in range 0 to the value of I should not exceed this value, right? I equals to 0 to I equals to j minus 1, correct index. I equals to correct index. For the value of k should range from j plus k should the number should exceed, or okay, the index value should exceed, correct. K equals to I plus 1 to k equals to this length of 7, correct. Okay, so first what we do, we set j equals to 1 to n, correct. J equals to 0, I equals to 0 to the value of I. So ARR of j is ARR of j 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is it equals to d. Here d is set to what? Or d is set to 3. Is it condition true? No. This satisfies j increments. J is incremented to value of 2. I set to 0. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Condition true. Then it enters k equals to j plus 1. J plus 1 is 3. 3 equal to 3. 5 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 3. Nope. K equals to 4. 4 equals to 4 is 7 minus 4 is equal to 4. 5 6 7. Condition true. Increment the num value equals to 5. No. Like we do know that the previous value, our constant, we do this is the constant. Okay. So after this, should we break out of the loop? If you break out of this for loop, here goes here. Okay, let's try to run the code. Local variable I referenced before assignment. What? Oh, sorry. Uh, 10 to the power 4, yeah. Okay, these are getting out of loop then. These 5 test cases. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's done. What if we what if we remove this break, and will any of them will run out of time? Yeah, they're taking pretty. Oh yeah, this test case will also fail. Yes, your code did not execute within time limits. Yes, so this break is necessary for time limitation problem. Correct. I don't know why they should just proof check this example. Okay, moving on to the next problem, minimum distance. Yeah, minimum distance. I need to play less with my hair. Sorry. We define the distance between two array values as the number of indices between the two array values as the number of. Huh? Given A, find the minimum distance between any pair of equal elements. Sorry, I don't understand the question actually. We define the distance. We define the distance between two array values. Okay, as the number of indices between the two values. Okay. Given A, find the minimum distance of between any pair of equal elements. Given A, what is A value? Find the minimum distance between any pair of equal elements. Okay, if no such value exists, print minus 1. For example, there are two matching pairs of values 3 and 2. So indices of 3 is 0, j is 4. So the distance is 4. The indices of 2s are I. Okay. This solution okay, this solution will need some sort of searching algorithm uh, to to solve this in uh, to not go out of like time. We need to use binary search so that the solution will be of n log n, big O of n log n. Yeah, that's the most important part here. I think that's the most important part here. Is there any else we can else any other way to try to solve try to solve this problem with more efficiency? Let's check the constraints. Number of values, length of the array. So it's just 1 to 1000. There are only 1000 elements in the array. Like there are. But you need to find the most efficient solution, right? Print a single integer denoting print a minus 1. Okay. Okay, there are cases where what's the problem here? If all the elements like if all the elements are distinct then we'll have to print minus 1, right? For the example, this 7 is present 0 and at 5. I want to find the minimum of this number. Okay. Uh-huh. It will create a distance array. Distance array will uh, return index of a element using count function. Let's check now. Let's check out also. It is set to an array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 2 comma 22 comma 1 comma 4 comma 0 comma 7 comma 7 6 comma 6 comma 1 comma 3 comma 7. Okay. Index ind of 1 m dot index function in Python list index is dot index element. Okay. M dot index 1. Okay, it returns the most recent number. Okay. How to check index of a number? They are repeated in our list. And dot delete 3 and dot remove 3 1 0 1 2 3 0 1 2. None. 0 1. Okay then. Yes. Dot pop. Dot pop 3. Yes, 2 will be removed and then 1 kept. So it is an index value, but we can't. New. Yeah, now the string will be fucked again. Okay. Uh-huh. This is an easy question. Let's try to get it down. So the discussions. Big O. Oh, we can solve this in big O of n times complexity. How? Uh, I don't want to look up the solution. I know fine Python file doesn't really matter, but in the input of array, and the sign we're doing just that. I don't want to look up the solution. Mm. Binary search will get big O of n log n times only. Mm. Mm. How can you solve this? For I, A, getting a time complexity of n square. Let's try this for jigging the range. Zero two and then of a what will it? We'll check first if I is equals to A of J. They are equal if hmm. there will be repetitions of number, right? So one word, there might be one here, right here. काय हो मावशी? काय मावशी? ते बकेटात ठेवले ना. तिथे. हा? कोणते? कोणते? बकेटामधले घ्या ना. इथं नाहीत मावशी. नाही. We'll append the distance in this. It's going to be n square, and will when this happen, we'll break out of this too. And for this, it goes from this to this. Okay, for one, let's suppose we find one here. Then we'll have to break out of the breaking out of the for loop. If length of BST 0 turn minus 1 turn minimum of BST. Yeah, I think we have to use binary search, or else it won't compile on time. I know that for sure. Oh, it did. Oh, nice. Then what's the time complexity of this? It goes from okay. This is n into what? Mm, this will take one. This will take one. This will take one. This will take one. N into what? This goes from 0 to n, but we break it as soon as we find the term. Okay. What if we don't break it now? I mean, I know, but if it doesn't happen. Okay. $107 Okay, 87 points more. Halloween sale, okay. You wish to buy video games from the very famous online video game store Nest, okay? The hacker rank version of Steam. Usually all games are sold at the same price, $3, okay? However, they are planning to have the seasonal Halloween sale next month, in which you can buy games at a cheaper price. Especially the first game you buy during the sale will be sold at P dollars, but every specifically sorry, but every subsequent game you buy will be sold at exactly D dollars less than the cost of D dollars. Okay, this will continue until the cost becomes less than or equals to M dollars. After which, every game you will buy will cost M dollars each. If P equals to 40, D equals to 10, 3, M equals to 6, then the following. Okay, the first game will be $20. The second game will be 20 minus 17, 17 minus 14, 11 minus 14, 8 minus 3, 6, 8 minus 3. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5, but it is less than the value of n. Then we'll set the cost to 5, sorry, cost to the value of m, and we'll just sell the, okay. The constraint of the m, the value of m is 100, the value of p is 100, the difference is 100, the value of s is what? What is s? S dollars, okay, s dollars. Okay, missed wallet, okay. You can buy this. What do you have to print? A single the maximum number of games you can buy. Okay, maximum number of games, right? Uh, what we know is the value of p, the value. Okay, while s is greater than. Okay, this is our budget. We'll count a variable. Count equals to 0. Count equals to count minus p. This is the first game. If count. Okay. Count is plus 1. Plus 1 and differs is equals to s minus p value. The count is greater than or equals to greater than 0. Then we'll set a variable called cost p. No need actually. P equals to p minus m. If p ever reaches the value, if p ever becomes less than m, then we'll set p as m. Okay, and s equals to s minus p, and counting is incremented by 1, and to return count. Yeah, I think this will work. Let's try to solve our code. I'll give an existing example. The value of p is 20. S is what is this? Okay, let's see. Value of p is 20. These 20, the lead, no, these 20, these 3, and these 6. S is 80. Our budget is 80, okay. So count is set to 0. S equals to S minus P. That means 80 minus 20. The first gun is bought is 60. Count is incremented by 1. Count equals 1 plus 1. Count becomes 1. And while we start now the while loop. While S is greater than or equals to M. S is greater than M. The value of S is 60. Is it greater than or equals to 6? Condition true. Okay. Now if count is greater than 1, greater than 0, greater than 0, and there is no need to check for this. I'm talking about cases where we always know that the value of D is so we have to yeah. So the first game is bought. Now we have to lower the price. P is set to 20 minus 3 is 17. Is if 17 is less than M, condition false. S equals to S minus P. 60 minus 17 is equals to 60 minus what is what? 43. I mean, I hope that's not so. Else I would suck at maths. Yeah, 43. Yeah, 43. Count equals 2 games. Now 43 greater than 6. Condition true. P is 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 if condition 14 is then no. S equals to 43 minus 14 minus 40, 29. Count is 3. 14 29. 29 greater than equals to 6. Condition true. P is equal to 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 if 11 less than condition false, less than 6. Then false, then yeah, less than 6 condition false. S equals to S minus P. S is 29. 29 minus 11. 18. Count is set to 4. Now 18 is greater than 6. Greater than equals to 6. Condition true. P is set to 11 minus 3 is 9. If 9 greater than equals to 6, condition false. Sorry, 9 less than 6, condition false. 9 more than condition false. Is equals to 18 minus 9, which gives 9. Count is equal to 5. 5 count is equal to 5. 9 greater than equals to 6, condition true. P is set to 9 minus 3 equals to 6. 6 less than 6. 6 less than 6, condition false. S equals to 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Count is equals to 6. 3 less than m. This was the return count. Now let's run the code. And this is the base invalid syntax. Why? Oh, okay. We need to check first if the value of s is less than p, then we have to return 0. That's how it works. Your output is 9. Why? What are we returning? We are returning the value of count now. It is here. There is always a difference of 3. Why is there a difference of 3? But the value here takes 9. Ah. Count equals count plus 1. With the value of less than 0. But why? Yeah, I thought as well. How much time? Okay, it's been an hour almost, and it's been okay. Let's try to solve this problem. $49. Okay. I don't. If s is less than p, return 0. If s equals p, return 1. Else if s is greater than p, then we do this. And then we return count. Now let's try to run this code. I don't know what's the solution. Let's try to see this. Invalid syntax. Okay. I don't know why it's like if the budget is less than the first value of P, then we have to return 0. If it is equals to 0, then we return, we can buy only one gain. Now, if it is greater than the budget is greater than the selling point of first one, then what do? Is we and this count increments. Now we check while S is less than equals to M. M is the minimum. Yeah. This is uh, this is the problem we calculated now. 20. It's supposed to return 6. I don't know why it's returning 9. Where is 9 here? It's incrementing. It's getting incremented. Oh, okay, sorry. The D we have to P minus D. Sorry. Uh, okay, one test case is failed. What is the percent count of P? What if the value of P and M are equal? Let's say 20. Where 20 is the fixed price. Okay. And 80 minus 20 is 20. Count is incremented. 20 greater than, 60 greater than 20, condition true. The difference is 20. Let's suppose 20. So this might be the case. P becomes less than 20. Okay, there might be, okay, but we know that the value of n is greater than, okay, solution. We know that it's entering this loop when the value of s is greater than or equals to n. So we know this, like if we set this, then we won't have any issue. So what is this test case it is failing for? Is it if s is set to 0? Is it? Let's say if s equals to 0. Is that this case? No, it's not. It has 0 budget. Yes, will always be between 1 and 7. Let's see what's this unlock. Let's unlock this case. 100. So S is equals to sorry, P equals to 100, D equals to 19, M equals to 1, S equals to 180. PDM, yes, PDM is S, yes, less than if condition false, less equals to P condition false, if not then P condition true, S equals to S minus P 180 minus 100 is 80, increment the count to 1. I 80 greater than equals to the value of n is 1. The minimum value is set to 1, right? Difference is 19. T minus D equals to 100 minus 19. 81. 81 is 81 less than 1 condition false is equals to S D minus. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, we need to specifically check if S becomes less than selling price. Okay. If S is less than P, return count here. Yeah, now it's good. This is a very specific test case. The selling price, the budget was 180, but the price of first item was 100. Mm-hmm. 81. So we always need to check if the budget, if the current price, falls less than, sorry, if the current budget falls less than the price of the toy. Okay. So almost 120, and I'm listening for almost 1 hour. I think I should end the stream. I think I need to prepare for my lunch. 67 more points. I think I'll be able to do this today only. What 4 problems or such? 4 or 5 problems. Time in words. The time in words. Okay. Chocolate fee, service lane, Lia's workbook for flatland space stations. I think I'll solve this today and mark. Yeah. I think I'm gonna. Sorry. Okay. I am 68 points behind of a 5-star gold rank, 5-star gold batch actually. So today we solved 3 or 4 problems on this stream today. Yeah, three problems, 3 problems on the stream today in 1 hour. So I think that's the amount of time is okay. 20 minutes per problem. It's okay. It could be better. It could be very better, but it needs to be better. but for right now it's okay. So 80 more points, like 70 more points, right? 70 more points. Let's check the next problem. Oh, sorry. Uh, 125, 20, 25, 50, and 670. Okay, if I solve these three problems, chocolate feed, service lane, and Lisa's workbook, then I'll get my 70 points. And okay, I'll try to solve these three problems after the streaming because my data, okay, my data is going to run out very soon, so I have to end the stream right now. Sorry for that. Bye.